Hello everyone, we are the Group 21, and we will be discussing about catering and event supply chain management, planning and sourcing for large-scale hospitality. Introduction. Large-scale hospitality events such as conferences, festivals, or weddings involve the coordination of food, staff, equipments, and logistics for hundreds or thousands of attendees. Effective catering and supply chain management ensures these events run smoothly, meet guest expectations, and remain profitable. Planning and sourcing are foundational to this success, demanding strategic decision and making real-time adaptability. The key elements of event supply chain management. The first one is procurement and sourcing. It's acquire food, beverages, linens, decor, and kitchen equipment from suppliers. Logistics. Coordinating the movement of goods, equipments, or personnel to and from the event site. Inventory control, tracking supplies to avoid shortages or excess, especially with perishables. And the last is waste management, reducing food and material waste through efficient planning and recycling. Planning for large-scale events, forecasting demand, estimate guest numbers, menu, preferences, and peak service times. The forecasting demands is predict how many guests will attend and what food they'll prefer. Budgeting. Allocate funds for food, staff, equipments, and transportation. Budgeting is to plan how much money to spend on food, staff, and equipment. Timeline development. It's create a detailed schedule from planning through post-event cleanup. It's create a step-by-step schedule from preparation to cleanup. While the site and layout design, it's map kitchen setups, buffet linens, setting and waste disposal zones. It's organized the event's space including the kitchen areas, serving lines and waste zones.
And for catering logistics, includes menu planning, kitchen and service staff coordinator, food preparation, transport of equipment strategy, and the last one is a food serving strategies. Best practices. Start planning early 6 to 12 months for large events. Build a vetted vendor list and maintain good relationships. Use technology to streamline operations. Train staff regularly and maintain communication channels. And the last one is always prepare contingency plans. And for conclusion, catering and supply chain management for large events is complex but manageable with proper planning and sourcing. Success depends on coordination, technology use, vendor reliability, and a strong commitment to sustainability. By following best practices, event planners can deliver seamless, memorable experiences. And that's all. Thank you.